Educating the Biosphere is a program which we have been participating in for several years, offered by the Biosfhere Reserve which, above all, attempts to instill value and respect for nature, preserving history, too. Because it is so experimental, it's something they love. This school has been participating in this program since the 2017 to 2018 school year. There are a multitude of workshops and every year they keep expanding and they're experiences that stay with the children from a very young age.
It is a program with activities aimed at educational centres and the Biosphere Reserve area. It includes talks in schools, workshops and field trips throughout the area.
It's important for them to know that they live in a biosphere because it's something passed down from our ancestors and they are going to be the future that has to preserve it.
We believe they are the vehicle to reach the rest of society.
What we achieve is building that foundation, and we see what response and underlying motivation it creates in the children we work with, showing them that we live and work in a biosphere that we must conserve. I'm
Ignacio García,
director of this school,
project specialist from the Mariñas Coruñesas Association and
Soy
Ecoturista.